Meanwhile, in a major setback for former U.S. President Donald Trump, a New York court has ruled that Trump, along with his sons, Eric and Don, committed fraud. The judge ruled that both the father and the son committed fraud by inflating the value of the real estate and financial assets of the Trump organization for years. The court also revoked the business licenses that allowed the Trump organization to operate some of its New York properties. Well, the ruling comes as a major setback for the former U.S. president ahead of a trial in the civil case due to begin next Monday. New York State Attorney General Letitia James has accused Trump, his two eldest sons, and other Trump organization executives of lying to tax collectors, lenders, and insurers for years. She accused them of indulging in a scheme that routinely exaggerated the value of their own properties. While Trump's lawyers had asked the judge to dismiss the case ahead of the trial by granting what is known as a summary judgment in his favor. New York Attorney James had also asked for a summary judgment, seeking that Trump be found liable ahead of the trial. The judge finally sided with the Attorney General. James is now seeking $250 million in penalties and the removal of Trump and his sons from management of the family empire called the Trump Organization. Trump, who is also the front-runner for the 2024 presidential nomination, has denounced the case as a witch hunt. For more on this, our correspondent Susan Tharani sends us this report from New York. Take a look.
The decision will simplify the path of Attorney General Letitia James, who's accusing the former president of overvaluing his businesses by more than $2.2 billion. The decision also comes just days before a trial is scheduled on Monday and will also considerably smooth the path once again for Attorney General Letitia James, who's seeking up to $250 million in penalties from the former president. Of course, it does deal a heavy blow to Donald Trump, whose lawyers have been arguing that many of the claims in this case should have been dropped. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.